And when such accusations are made against a governor from my party, I have a lot of difficulty explaining myself in the public. So I will not allow it to happen, Governor. As I told you, I'm also an accounting officer. I am audited. We go through this process. Luckily for me, I have a fantastic team at the party headquarters, led by Joshua Kawino, somebody who you know very well. There is no way, Governor, Kawino can be asked to provide a voucher, and he doesn't provide it, and it ends up as an audit query. That is why, for the past 15 years, ODM has had a clean audit. I've never had to appear before a committee of parliament to be grilled the way that you're being grilled. The law is very clear that failure to provide a document at the point of audit is actually an offense. So allow us to identify these characters who are sabotaging your administration, because this is something that, as the chair has rightfully noted, can very easily be used to mudsling a county governor, where there is no wrongdoing, no money has been lost, just somebody failing to provide a voucher when they should provide a voucher. So this one is unacceptable, Governor. It's unacceptable, and Chair, for me, we identify the officers responsible for production of documents. I think you will remind us, clerk, what the law says, the responsibility to produce documents during audit. That officer, Governor, even if he's your friend, deliver him to our hands. You just wash your hands and let the Senate do with him as it will please, because we cannot allow this to continue, and we shouldn't be sitting here to look at vouchers. You are not like Isiolo. And I can see the senator of Isiolo has walked in. We are not like Isiolo, because the documents you present here, they look like authentic documents. You should just have provided them during the time of audit.
Chair, you know, Senator, my good friend, Governor, confirmed there are some people who are trying to sabotage him. Actually, that was his assertion the very moment that he started.